Hello, welcome to another short video. So today I'm out on the 800 and my dad is on the 900, and we are going to do a little roll on just to see what these bikes are like compared to each other. Now on paper there's only a couple of brake horsepower difference, but that has an extra 100cc and more torque, so in theory it should be quicker. The 900 should pull away. So we're going to do a roll on at 30 miles an hour. We're going to be at 30 in third, and then we're going to just wind on. So 3, 2, 1, go. Surprisingly, my bike pulled away then, but I do think I was going slightly quicker to start with. So this also isn't a fully fair test. My bike is modified, it has a different air filter, a different exhaust system, and has been remapped, so it's probably 4 or 5 brake horsepower more than standard, maybe 6 or 7 brake horsepower more than standard. But the 900 isn't standard either. The 900 does have the Scorpion link pipe, so it's not a true like-for-like standard comparison, but even so, the 900 has a bit more torque and a little bit more power as standard, so should be able to pull away in a roll-on race. Now, I think the reason the 800 did so well is the gear ratios are different. So as we've been following each other around today, we have been discussing on the intercom what revs we're in at what speed, and it does seem like the 900 is lower in the rev range at a given speed in a given gear, so that must have a longer gear to be able to do a higher top speed in each gear, which does make sense really when you think the 800 is a more off-road focused bike and the 900 has a bit more torque, so can pull the higher gear from a lower revs. But that did mean that the 800 actually won the roll-on test there from 30 miles an hour. I'd be interested to try and ride the 900 and compare it to the 800. So we will try and get that test done as well sometime. But for now, that was just a quick bit of fun, and it does show that the 800 is pretty punchy with its gear ratios. So that's it for now, just for that little video there with the 800 versus 900. We'll do some more things like that in the future, seeing as we have both bikes at our disposal. But for now, we'll call it there, and as ever, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.